Hello guys, today I will show you how to view LinkedIn profile anonymously. That is through LinkedIn private mode. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or it can also be done on your mobile phone. Just open LinkedIn app or log into linkedin.com using your user credentials. Now, you will see this page where you'll have to click on the Me icon at the top right. Now from this, choose Settings and Privacy. If you're using mobile phone, simply choose Settings on LinkedIn. Now, you'll be under your settings where you'll have to just choose visibility here. If you're on mobile, choose visibility option from there. Now, you will see different options from which you'll have to choose profile viewing options. When you click on this profile viewing options, that is the first option, you will see this page. Here, you can select what others see when you view their profile. So, if you choose your name and headline as your choice, whenever you're going to visit someone else's profile, your name and headline will be visible to them. If you choose private profile characteristics, the bio and characteristics of your profile will be visible to them. If you choose private mode, you'll be shown as an anonymous LinkedIn member. That means the others will see you just like this. So always choose private mode and go back. Just by doing this, you can easily view anyone else's profile as anonymous. So that is the simple way to view LinkedIn profile anonymously, that is through LinkedIn private mode. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.